Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 7 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts this week is something used for or while traveling. And I've got the suitcases and an airplane and a car. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. The next prompt is washi tape, so I've got some washi tape. A piece of a letter or postcard. I've got this postcard. Something with a distinct scent or smell. I've got assorted roses. Rubber stamping in any color but black. I've got this coffee colored stamp. And the bonus is sheet music, and I'm just going to use this. So I hope everybody's doing great. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, well, I'm doing pretty good. It has been kind of warm around here. I know a lot of you don't want to hear that, but it has been, it was like 60 when I got up this morning. Okay, see how I'm going to lay this out. I'm not really sure. And I've got this image. It's from Christie's Printables on Facebook, and I think she's beautiful. But I thought it'd be neat since I had a postcard that she may be writing letters. Okay, let's see how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to lay this around and see what we get. I am trying to find something else to read. I picked up one of the freebies I got. And it's okay, it's just a slow start. If it doesn't get any better, though, I'm just going to have to find something else to read. Those are pretty. But I am just I finished that Lisa Gardner book, and it was so good, and nothing else is competing with it. Okay, now let's see what we can. Kind of thinking maybe something like that. I think I'm just going to make this a pretty page. And I've got the rubber stamping to do. So I'm going to get busy inking. First I'm going to lay down these background pieces, because those I know pretty much that's where I want them to go. I've been watching The Killing on Acorn, and it is so good. I think it's on Hulu as well. But it is, I'm in the second season, and I'm about, maybe 3 or 4 episodes into that. And I get addictive, and then all I want to do is watch. So I'm hoping I'll get to do some of that this afternoon. And I am going to cut that little piece out. You can't see, I'm sorry. I don't have as much room. The way my camera is, I can't go any higher. So I'm just kind of cleaning that out. I didn't like that white inside. Now I love to get it on a good series, and my husband and I have been watching Bones, and I've watched Bones. My husband has not, and so I love Bones anyway. And I like those TV dramas that have you laughing as well as being a good mystery. And now I'm just gonna glue these down. I think I'll use my glue stick on that one. It's just thin paper. come from an old hymnal. I think I may kind of tilt it also. I don't know, it's something about tilting stuff that just, I guess it makes your eye kind of roam. Let's see, which way do I? I think I want the color at the top. Okay. And put that down there. I think I'm going to get me, I have a glue book that I did a while back, or I just, started. I didn't go very far. But I want one of those glue books. I've been watching Debbie at My Vagabond Style, and she has been just doing a random glue book. And I love watching Nicole at Relax Cut and Glue. She does those. So I am going to do that, start doing that too. And I may video that, some of them anyway. I want to do more of my channel. I am such a procrastinator, and I'm not a very good time manager. And so I have a hard time getting everything together. And the downside to that is it makes crafting hard work, which instead of being fun, like the whole point of crafting is supposed to be. So I'm going to try to work on that. Do I want, or is it too much? I kind of like that. But I'd like to do more videos if it's something everybody's interested in. And I want to give everybody something that they like watching. Yeah, it's for me as well. Because if I didn't enjoy doing this, I wouldn't do it. But I also want to do things that everybody will enjoy watching. And I feel like I'm just rambling on here. Okay. Thinking maybe something like that. I think that's pretty. I got my travel. I still have to add the washi tape, postcard, scent. I still have to do my rubber stamping and my sheet music. I just kind of want to make sure I'm on task here. Sorry about that. My alarm went off. Alright, so I got that one glued down. So let's go ahead and get the rest of these glued down. I like collaging. It's very relaxing. Sometimes I get overwhelmed with some of the prompts, but it's all about fun. And it's my collage, so you can also get overwhelmed by trying to live up to other people's expectations. But basically, let's just enjoy it. Makes you happy? All right then. Okay. Put her there. I think I like her better right there. Oops. Christie's printables, she has the prettiest images. Go ahead and glue my prompts down. And I may go ahead and decorate that while I'm at it. Prompt should be pretty as well. I'm going to be making a journal. I'm going to show some of the things that I do. I probably won't show the whole journal, but I will show the flip through. Anton of Bontic Vintage Designs asked me to make a journal using some of his images, and I've got a few images that I'm going to be using, but the first journal is going to be Gothic Coffee, and it is beautiful images. And so I thought about adding some of these. There's lots of pretty images with that to go kind of with the Gothic theme. So I'm excited about that. Let's see, do I want to add the tape first or the ink? I think I'll add the tape first. Let me go with a bigger one. But he has some gorgeous images, and if you use the code that's in my description box, you get 50% off and of his images, and it doesn't run out. And so the code is down there in my description box if you'll check it out. I mean, there's even the ones I didn't get. There's so many more that I want to do. He was very generous, and I already felt like I was kind of greedy with what I got. Isn't that beautiful? I love that washi tape. Let's see. Maybe just add a little bit here and there. Gonna do that, and now I'm gonna add my inking with any color but black. So I'm gonna do some coffee splatters. I hear my kitty cat. That's cute. Oh, let me add one over here. All right. And it wouldn't be me without my gold splatters, especially when it's something pretty like that. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'm going to have to fill up my water bottle. There we go. Oh, splatters make me happy. just a few black. Forgot to add the gold over there. All right. Well, I think that it's done, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's beautiful. I love pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We have got our something used while traveling, the suitcase. We've got our washi tape, our piece of letter or postcard. I've got my postcard. Something with a distinct scent or smell. I've got my roses. Rubber stamping in any color but black. I've got my coffee stains. And bonus is sheet music. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, it's listed in my description box. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW7 to see what everyone else has made this week. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. I love you. Until next time, bye y'all.